Sweet confectionery in Scotland dates back to the late 1600s, when the first shipload of sugar from the West Indies sailed up the Clyde. And here in the Borders region, they're particularly rich in local specialities. There's hoik balls, berwick cockles and muffet toffee, to name but a few. But I'm here in Jedburgh to search for a very special sweet indeed, the Jeddart Snail. So, Rutherford Miller, what is the connection between this castle and the famous Jeddart Snail?
This castle here, Russell, the French prisoners of war were kept here in the times of Napoleon.
Right.
And they were let out to local landowners to help them keep their land. Our family, way back, befriended one of these French prisoners, and in return for our family's kindness, he gave them this recipe.
So he gave the recipe to your family?
Yeah.
So how long ago was that? Generations?
Oh, that would be my great grandfather.
Yeah. So you're the latest generation?
I'm the latest generation, yeah.
So what exactly is a Jeddart snail?
A Jeddart snail is a peppermint boiling, and it's boiled to a certain temperature, pulled out and twisted into a shape that is similar to a snail.
Great. Should we go and make one?
Let's go.
Right. So you enjoy making snails?
Yeah, it's good fun, yeah. It's passes the time of day.
Right.
Yeah. No, whoa, we're going in here.
Here?
This is it.
This is a greengrocer's.
But if you come up with me, I'll show you where we make the snails.
So what's the main part of your business? Greengrocery or snail making?
The fruit and veg side is, yeah. The snails are just a bit of a hobby.
Listen, if I find a snail in my Brussels sprouts, mate, I'm suing.
I'll show you the snails.
Well, it's cooling nicely, Rutherford.
It's cool, and it just has to be manageable.
Still very hot though, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you can feel yourself just the heat that's still
Yeah,
there.
I wouldn't put my hands on that.
Yeah, we are misses.
Yeah. So, how long do you have to boil this for?
It's boiled for about 3/4 of an hour.
Right.
Till it reaches a certain temperature.
And what's the ingredients?
It's a toffee mixture, sugar, water.
I know,
a bit of this and a bit of this and a bit of the other.
We don't tell.
If I was to tell you, I'd have to kill you. It's cool enough now. We're going to put the peppermint on,
Right.
and then allow it to cool again so that we can manage it.
Oh yeah, that's strong, isn't it? It's nice.
That's all right. I mean, you get a nice whiff of it just now.
If you didn't put the peppermint on, what would it taste like?
It'd just be just plain toffee.
Right. Bit of salt and pepper.
Bit of salt and pepper, vinegar mustard. Then we just.
Oh yeah, you can. God, that's.
Fold it
aroma's really come out. Oh. It's a bit like that Albasine, isn't it? It's like
yeah, it's good. It helps you. You've got a bit cold. And first thing you can do is rub your nose out your eyes.
Yeah, see, I see you stand back when you do that.
Yeah.
So
then just let it cool down.
Right.
And then we'll fold it in a couple of times. Take away the hard edges.
Do you keep folding it, and cutting it? So how long does this process take before you transfer it for cutting?
It's only about maybe 10 minutes.
Right, this is the end of the production line, isn't it?
This is, well, they get put into tins and allowed to cool.
Right.
And then they're boxed into the tins you've got in front of you there.
This tin here?
And from round the corner to around the world.
Why do you call them snails?
The shape, the shape's supposed to resemble
that
a snail.
looks like a snail, Robert.
Yeah, aye.
Been on the whiskey for a few weeks. So this is a family production line, basically. You've got the Don, Big Daddy, doing the stretching. Years of stretch practice. Rather, you're on the cutting.
Yep.
Because you always wanted to be a hairdresser.
That's right.
You're supposed to laugh at my joke.
No. Tell me a funny one, that's all I'll laugh.
So how many do you do of these a week?
Do 5 boilings a day for 3 days a week.
3 days a week?
Yeah.
How many tins or whatever was that a week? Or pounds or whatever?
About 30 dozen.
30 dozen.
30 dozen. And we make during the winter. We don't make in the summer because it's, in theory, should be too hot.
So what do people buy these for? Is it like cold remedies?
Cold remedies, just a taste.
Right.
Bit of gimmick. You know, snails.
Well, that's nice hot, isn't it?
Yeah, they're very good. When they're at their best.
It's real sort of toffee peppermint.
Yeah. That's it. A presenter that's lost the power of his mouth.
Oh. You've stopped sweating now, haven't you? That'll be the tin. That'll be the tin.
That'll be the tin. That'll be the tin. As I say, then they're tinned into those.
You sent a lot of these by mail order?
Yeah. Go all over.